Welcome everyone, let's get right to it. We have some stocks is pumping right now. One of them is COSM, the other one pumping 100%. Ticker symbol is OTIC. If we go first for COSM, we see that the price hit our profit taken in the pre-market. On our Patreon, we said we should take our profit around the 77 because the short seller will come to short this stock, and that's what happened. The price went down right now, currently around the 66. The next one on our list is OTIC. The volume is crazy, it's almost over the 200 million. What's going on with this stock? Because there's a huge news coming up for the next year for this stock. Next up we got HLBZ, because as well for this one we hunted in the pre-market on our Patreon when we did this chart analysis, and we said the breakout zone should be the 27 cent and profit taken should be around the 31. We went until the 33, you see it here, and the price gravitated down and we did double top for this stock. ARIDX going down to our support. We're going to discuss where the reversal and where we should enter for a potential profit. And of course, never forget AMC, because it's still inside this loading box. What's gonna happen? Because look what's going on. We have a test for our AMA and the price is still holding. There is a huge whale buying AMC, and we discuss where the breakout zone and where the profit taken for AMC. So let's start our video with COSM. The volume as well for this one is almost the 200 million with a 13%, and we got rejected exactly around our profit taken that we discussed in our Patreon, because we always do pre-market update for a lot of stocks. Now the price is gravitating around the breakout zone, the 0.66. So what we should expect, the support should be above the 44 cent to confirm that the price is still have buying pressure, and then break it the 85 cent and going toward the $1 and the $1.24 for this stock. Next up on our list we got OTIC jumping almost 100%. You know why? Because we got this huge news for this stock. We got double listing, I think. The price is consolidated so many times, and we discussed it before on our Patreon. We said the profit taken should be around the 13 cent and of course around the 23 cent. Now is about the 22 cent. So what we should expect for this stock? We got a huge resistance coming up around the 24 cents, so we have to watch out. We're gonna trigger a lot of profit taking and short seller will come here. If we broke this level of resistance, the stock will continue to go higher toward this level of profit taking around the 44 cents, and the other one, let me just put it near the 33 cent after we clear of course the 24 cent. Otherwise the price will gravitate down to find support above the 13 cent 60. So this should be our support or bottom for this year to continue to go high for this stock. Next up on our list, as we said, the HLBZ we talked about in our Patreon. We have our profit taken triggered around the 31. We got the price got rejected around the 33. You see it here clearly. We didn't have 1 hour candle close above this level. That's why it is an exit strategy for us and take our profit. That's why the price went down to test our support, the 25 cent. So is there an entry for this stock? The entry should be above the 25 cents. So if we held the 25 cents, it means this stock will load up the next time we overcome the 33 cents. After we clear the 33 cents, we're gonna have the profit taken around the 41 cent and the 52 cent. Always the green is profit taken and the breakout zone is the orange line, okay? And the red line is our current support. Next up on our list, so we got ARIDX. Everybody knows this stock is pumped almost 100% middle of November. Now the price is gravitating down toward this box that we discussed before. We said if we held above the $1.56 or even around the $1.66, it means there is a potential for a reversal and break the $2.17, the breakout zone, to go toward the $2.75 and the $3.72 for ARIDX. So there's a potential because we already jumped almost 100%. We might see another 100% if we held the $1.56. Let me just calculate. Yeah, almost 70% for the first profit taken and over 100% around the $3.72 level of resistance. Let me just go to the other stock on our list. Of course, AMC, as we suggested before, we said the $7.11 and the $8.16 is the area of breakout zone or the support for AMC. Now we're still holding in this range. What does mean is the market maker loading up. They buy here, look, they buy around this support, then they short it around this resistance. It happens so many times, so the price have to pump the next time we overcome the $8.16 to go toward the $9.85. Watch out. We should never have any candle close below the $7.11 because this will confirm a weakness and the price go toward the $6.31. And the next stock on our list, we got of course HUT is jumping now 1%, but the most important question now, is this the bottom for HUT or not? Because the price is continue to go down the moment that we broke the $1.66 and now we have double bottom around the $1.09. If we held it, it means the price will have a reversal until the $1.66, and the confirmation for that breaking this dotted orange line, which is our alert around the $1.30 to go toward the $1.66 breakout zone and enter again for bullish momentum toward the $2.43. Otherwise, the price will go for this year, this bottom around the 87 cent, and of course the mother of all bottom for HUT is the 0.61 cent. Let me know what you think about those stocks and which one will squeeze first before the end of this trading session for this year. And of course we're gonna do update for mmat and mmtlp after this video, and see you in the next update.